Let me show you how I made these super easy pecan pie bars. They are so good. The crust, the filling, the pecans, everything about this recipe is delicious. You're not going to get disappointed. And if you have some pecans to use up, well, this is the recipe for you. I had a bunch of pecans that I brought back from New Mexico, and I was like, let me find a recipe. I found this one. I am so glad that I made it. I could seriously eat all of this, but I'm not. I gotta save some for everybody else. Line a 9 by 13 baking dish with some parchment paper. And then you're gonna want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees. We're gonna start on the crust first. For that, in a bowl, I'm putting in half a cup of unsalted butter that has been softened at room temperature, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and a 4 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm gonna just mix that together until it's nice and crumbly. Once it looks like this, then it's ready. Adding this to my baking dish, I want to make sure that this is nice and pressed down. So for that, I'm just going to be using a measuring cup. You can use whatever you're comfortable with. This just seems to work for me. And make sure that everything is nice and pressed down. And this is going to go into the oven from 15 to 20 minutes or until the crust is lightly golden. Meanwhile, in a bowl, I'm going to be adding in 3 large eggs, 1 cup of light corn syrup, 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to be mixing that. You can use your hand mixer, but no need to. You can just use a whisk. Once it has all combined, I'm going to add in 1.5 cups of pecans. You can use whole, chopped, whatever you like. Making sure this is all mixed, and your mixture should look like this. After the crust has set and it's all ready, you don't need to let the crust cool. Just add in your pecan mixture. Make sure it's nice and spread out. You're gonna pop this right back into the oven. Let that bake between 25 to 30 minutes. I let mine bake for 30 minutes and then I took it out, and I'm just going to let this cool completely for about an hour. And look how nice and golden brown it is. I did leave it out for 1 hour, but then I popped it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. And now it's time to cut them into squares. I'm just going to place mine on this tray here, and look how good those look already. When they come out of the oven, you can top them up with some more pecans if you like, but I didn't. I think what it has already is good enough for me, but that's your choice. And that's it. You just sit back, grab yourself some milk or whatever, and enjoy these easy pecan pie bars. They're super good, super delicious. I hope you make them. And if you do, well, let me know how you like them, because I went in for seconds. Enjoy, everybody. Bye.